morning students, how are you all? I hope that you all are good. So students, let's start today's class. In today's class, do you know what we are going to learn today? We are going to learn a new topic, and do you know the name of our topic? Our topic name is after, before and between. What's the topic name? After, before and between. Let's start today's topic. Students, what can you see on the screen? You can see that I have written some numbers and I have placed some objects, right? So students, here you can see that I have taken 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, okay? And we have taken a star, kite, ball, girl and a sparrow, okay? So students, now to understand the concept of after, just understand that what I am going to teach you now. First of all, these all are having a position, okay? Like star is on one position and kite is on second position and ball is on third position and the girl is on fourth position and this sparrow is on fifth position. Now understand this, that when we talk about the concept of after means baad mein, means what comes after 3. If I will ask you that what will come after 3, then you will answer that after means after this 3. So after 3, 4 comes, okay? So here you can see that who is after the ball? The girl is after the ball. So this is called as after, okay students? So this is called as after. And now if I will ask you that what is after kite, then the answer will be the ball is after the kite. Ball is after the kite. Kite is on second position and ball is on third position, okay? So here you can understand that what comes after 4? 5, okay? 5 comes after 4, right? And what comes after 2? Here you can see that 3 comes after 2. And what comes after 1? You can say that ma'am, number 2 comes after 1, right students? So after means baad mein, okay? Like here you can see that kite is placed after star and ball is placed after kite. And this girl is standing after ball and this sparrow is after girl. So I hope you got this concept. Now let's understand the before concept, okay? To understand this concept, you can see that I have changed the position of all the objects. So if I will ask you that what comes before 5? 5 means the star is on fifth position. Before star is kite. So before 5 it will come 4. Okay. So before is basically meaning pehle. 5 से पहले क्या आता है? Okay. So 4 comes before 5. And what comes before 2? 1 comes before 2. Okay. Here we can see that ball is placed before girl and the sparrow is placed before ball, right? And this star is placed before no object right now we have, because we have only 5 number, okay students? And the girl is placed before kite se pehle, okay? Kite se pehle, it means 4 se pehle 3 comes before 4, okay students? I hope that you got this concept. Now let's understand the between concept, okay? Now understand first of all that what's the meaning of between. Here we can see that this is star and this ball. This is star and this ball. And what is between this star and the ball? The answer will be sparrow. It means this is between the ball and star, right? And where is this star? The star is between the girl and the sparrow. इन दोनों के बीच में है ना ये. So this is called as between. Now the question is where is girl standing? Girl standing between kite and the star. Kite and the star. So The girl is between kite and the star. And where is sparrow? Sparrow is between star and the ball. Star and the ball. Okay students, so here also we can understand that what comes between 5 and 7? 6 number. 6 number comes between 5 and 7. 5, 6, 7. This is the between number. Between number. Okay. So what comes after 4 and 6? The answer will be 5 number. Okay. 5 number comes between 4 and 6. 5 number comes between 4 and 6. And what comes between 3 and 5? Number 4. Number 4 comes between 3 and 5. 3 and 5. Okay students. Here also we can understand that between means बीच में. इन दोनों के बीच में star. Girl and the sparrow. Who is there? This is a star. Okay. 4 and 6. Number 5 means star is in between. Okay. And sparrow is in between star and ball. Between. Okay. And this girl is between kite and star. Kite and star. I hope that you got this concept, student. So students, once again you can see that now I have taken only number. Now you have to tell me that which number comes between 7 and 9. Which number comes between 7 and 9? So the answer will be 8. Okay. 8 comes between 7 and 9. Okay. And what comes between 3 and 5? So number 4 will come between 3 and 5. 3 and 5 ये इनके बीच में है. Okay. And this 8 number comes between किनके बीच में आता है ये? 7 and 9. Okay. So next example also we can. So students, can you now tell me that what comes between kite and sparrow? The answer will be ball. Ball is in between the kite and the sparrow. Kite and the sparrow. And if I will change the position like this, then who is in the between? We can see that the now kite is in between. Okay, kite is in between, right? And if the sparrow will be here like this, then who is in between now? Here we can see that this sparrow is in between kite and ball. Okay, kite and ball के बीच में who is this? Sparrow. Okay students, I hope that you all got this concept after, before and between. Thank you students and thank you parents.